Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel IT Lab Genius. In today's session, we are taking a new perspective assess 2019 Module 2 SAM Project 1B. I will guide you through this assignment step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quizzes, or complete course through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email shown in my screen and given in the description. You can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. Now getting started, open. Okay, you can download this assess file from SAM website. You can it's download easily from SAM website. I have already downloaded this file from SAM website. You can see here is project steps. You are graduate teaching assistant for the Gates College, a private college in the Midwest. To help the college better manage their course schedule, you have created an assess database and are working on the tables and table relationship. Some of the tables that you need to Ridgedale College database is currently sorted. Excel workbook. Use the import separate sheet wizard. Okay. Enable content first. Then we will have to import the Excel sheet. Okay. External data. Go to external data. Go to new data source. Go from file. From Excel file. Excel file. Okay. You can browse file where you save it in your PC. Okay. Okay. And the courses module 2 project. Okay. Yes, supports us to be teaching assistance file. Okay, open this, press open, click on open, then append a copy to the teaching assistance table. Okay, append a copy of record to table. You can select this teaching assistance table. Okay, then press OK. Then press OK. Okay, then next, then finish, then close it. This file will be imported. Okay, it's done now. You can click on teacher assistant table. Okay, teaching assistant table will be create here. Now table field and into design view. Okay, this question is completed now. I have done first question of this project. Now moving on. Okay, design view. Okay, now moving on question number 2. You can see here. Okay, so right click on this and save and close it. Okay, now moving on question number 2. In addition to their teaching duties, teaching assistant and professor also work on grant that you want to track in the database. You the import separately wizard to import the data from the support access to be graded Excel as support file, a new table. Okay, then we will in this step we will have to import a file, import the data from the support access 19 to be grant Excel as file. Okay, now moving on to search file. Moving on to search file. Then first this close, save and close this table. Then we will go to save and close this table first. Okay, now moving on external data tab. Click on external data, then new data source, then from file Excel file, and then browse. You can browse file where you save it in your PC. Okay, support has to be grants file. Okay, press open, click on open. Okay, append a copy to the records to the table. Bind a copy of records with table. Okay. As a table, the first open heading. Grants and do not name the table grants and do not save the spot as. Okay. Import. Okay. Then okay. Press okay. Then next. Made to the fields. Changes to be made to the fields. Access at a primary key to the table. Name the table grants. Then press next. Let access and a primary key to the table. Name the table grants and do not save to the import steps. Press next. Then import to table of grants. Name of table is grant. Import to a table of grant. Okay, it's done. Then finish and close that. Okay, this question is completed now. Open the grants table under the sheet view and shows in figure 2. Close the grants table. Okay, this question is completed now. You can see here on my PC screen grants table open at sheet view. Now moving on question number 3. I have done 2 questions of this project. Now moving on question number 3. Okay, save and close that. Right click on this, save, and right click on this, close that. Okay, this question is completed. Question number 3 is that open the professor's table and design view. Use professor as a default value properties for the profit save the change but do not close the professor table. Okay. Open the professor table and design view. Moving on access file, then we will open the professor table and design view. Then use professor as the default value properties. Okay, moving on access file, open the professor table and design view. Click on professor table, then click on table field, then click on view. First we click on view and click on design view. Press design view. Okay, it's done. Default value properties for the profit title field, professor title field, professor title field, professor title field. Okay, use professor. Okay, copy this professor and we will use professor title field as a professor. Okay, click on professor title, then default value is professor. Default value is a professor. This question is completed now. Save the changes but do not close the professor table. Save the changes but do not close the professor table. Okay, it's done now. Right click on this save and close this table. Okay, this question is completed now. I have done this question. I'm going to design view. You can, okay, moving on question number 4. Question number 4 is that with the professor table open and design view, change the input mask properties for the higher date field to short date using default option to default input mask wizard. Okay, with the professor table open and design view, change the input mask properties for the higher date field to short date. Okay, moving on a SAS file, then we will change the input mask properties for the higher date field to short date. Okay, higher, click on higher date field, higher date field to short date. Input mask properties for the higher date field to short date. Click on higher date field. Then right click on this. Right click on this. Open properties table. Okay, input mask. Click on input mask. Click on higher date field. Then click on input mask. Right click on this, and then select short date. Okay. Then next, then input mask using the photo input mask wizard. Okay, save and close the professor table. Okay. Next, then finish then. Finish then. Okay, this question is completed now. Now moving on question number 5. Question number 5 is that open the this question you can see here. This question right click on this save and close this table. Okay, this question is completed now. Now moving on next question. Next question, question number 5. Open the class material list table. In design view, use yes as the required properties for the description and credit field. Save the changes to the class materials table and then close the table. Okay. You change the required properties. Okay. Open the class material table and design view. Use yes as the required properties for the description and credit field. Okay. Moving on a SAS file. We will open the class material table and design view. Click on class material table. Open this. Okay, then click on view, click on design view. Okay, click on design view, then we will change. We will say property. Then yes as the required properties for the description and character field. Use yes as the required properties for the description and credit field. Description and credit field is yes. Required field is yes. No to yes. Okay, select yes. Then credit. Click on credit field. Then required properties no to yes. Then credit field, click on required properties no to yes. No to yes. This question is done. Now you can see here it's completely good. Data integrity value have been changed. Warning message appears. The existing data is valid. Click yes to confirm this all or record. Okay, right click on this, save and close. When you will close this, warning message will be appeared here. Okay, this question will be done. Now moving on to question number 6. Open the professor table and data sheet view. Apply the currency format to the salary field. Save but do not close the table. Open the professor table in datasheet view. Okay, moving on a SAS file. First this save and close this table. Right click on this save. Okay, the warning message will be appear. Yes, then close this. Okay, now professor table will be open. Right click open this table. Then open design view. Datasheet view. Apply the currency format to salary field, but save but do not close the table. Okay, salary field and the currency format, go to the table, go to the table field, then data type format to standard to currency. Okay, first we select the salary column, then we will click on table field, then we will change go to format, then we will change currency. Okay, format, and then we select currency. Okay, this question is completed now. Now moving on question number 7. Question number 7 is that with the professor table still open in datasheet view, move the salary field so that it appears. Okay, right click on this save and close this table. Okay, then right click on this save and close this table. Now moving on question number 7. I already read this question. You can see here. With the professor's table still open in datasheet view, move the salary field so that it appears immediately after the professor's last name field. Save and close the professor table. Okay, moving on access file. First we will still open in datasheet view, move the salary field so that it appears immediately. Okay, salary field table field will be moved here. Okay, professor should open data sheet view, move the salary field so that appear immediately after the professor last name. Okay, done. Save and close this table. Right click on this save and right click on this close this table. Okay, it's done. I have done 80% of this assignment. For remaining question or you want to deal for a complete course, you can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. You can contact me through my WhatsApp and email easily. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, like my video. Best of luck.